All right, guys. I want to talk about XTZ here. Now, it's been very oversold. It's been bouncing massively, completely and utterly, totally impressed me over the last few days with the rebound, with the strength. And then just looking at the overall structure of the market, it's an extremely bullish structure, a long-term bullish structure. This is bullish weekly structure. Okay, so it's implying, bullish weekly structure implying that it will go into a bull market and it will go a lot higher. Now, I want to show you some structure here, similar, not identical, but similar. I could have looked through loads of charts and found a better one, but it's still similar bullish structure, and it was rain. Okay, when you form this bullish structure, this is a daily chart, by the way. XTZ has weekly structure, implying it can go a lot further, a lot longer, and possibly a lot higher than what rain did. Now, I just had some spicy curry, bloody sweating. Um, so, okay, so let's have a look here. Now, eventually, it'll take quite a long time, but you can see here when we finally formed the red 200 moving average on the chart. It was still bullish structure the entire way. The dip below was a gift, and when you get bullish structure like this, eventually, after the structure starts to move up, it'll start to move into a bull market. Okay, and it's just a matter of time. So what I'm implying here is on XTZ, it's very early days. We just had the weekly 100 moving average form on a chart, right? This is only getting started. This is good for long-term accumulation. If there is dips, they are for buying. You could really start accumulating this right now. And if you're lucky enough to get a dip back down below the red, the white 100 moving average again, like here, consider it a gift. This is bullish, very bullish weekly structure. It's a weekly chart, but by 2023, it'll be mooned, and it really could go 10x.